welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video again. So we are back in my mom's car and you will not believe the surprise that is going to happen to me today.
So guys, this is the part where I should have introduced myself, but I was too busy talking like a crazy person. So hi, my name is IJ. If you're just joining my channel for the first time, thank you, you're welcome. Go watch the rest of the video.
We're going to pick up my tripod from KONGA. I am so excited and I just had to share this with you guys. So if you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button on my channel. Let's get into it.
Yeah, get into it.
Step of the way. So stay tight, stay put, and don't go anywhere. We're going to pick it up. Random Nigerian driving. Hey! Driving in Nigeria is insane. Yes. We are here. To be unboxing a tripod today. Yeah, and it's not quite a tripod. It's not quite. Okay, so you guys are just going to see what is in the packet with me. So I've already opened the pack and I'm just going to be showing you guys. Dun, da, da, da. It turns out that it is actually a foldable phone stand. So this it turns out it was actually a foldable folding desktop phone stand. That's what's on the description, and it's cute. It's cute, quite alright, but so this is what it looks like. It turns out that my mom actually ordered the wrong thing on KONGA, and she thought it would be the same as a tripod. She thought it would be longer, and turns out it's actually a mini phone stand, but it is really cute, and I guess it's just going to be useful for plenty of things, like holding my phone when I'm watching a movie or when I want to shoot certain scenes. Yeah, it could actually really work out, so it's cute. Just that it's not the tripod I was expecting to unbox, so yeah. African parents, who can blame them? She thought she was getting a better deal, but it turns out it's not actually a tripod. It's a foldable phone case and it goes like this, so it's really portable and it's actually very pretty. Like, if you think about it, it's very cute, and but I thought I was going to be unboxing a tripod today, like, because her words were literally like, I bought you a tripod and it is coming today at KONGA. So I was just over the moon. I really thought that I was going to be bringing home a brand new tripod. So guys, I am sorry that we were both so disappointed, but it is actually great because this is nice. I mean, definitely very useful for plenty of things. So yeah, this is the box it came in, and this little packaging, I don't know. So yeah, I'm sorry that you came this far to find out that I didn't actually get a tripod. Please don't forget to comment down below what your thoughts are, the way you thought the video was going to go. Don't forget to like my video, comment, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you guys for watching my video to the very end. I'll be sure to let you guys know when I finally get a tripod. But for now, my mini phone stand awaits. Till my next video. Bye guys.
Do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just